If you're stressed, stuck, or facing constant conflict at work or home, you might not need a big life overhaul right now. What you might need is a clear, targeted fix that works fast. And that's what I call the Enneagram Remedy Path. And it's one of the most practical ways to use this incredible tool. Hi there, I'm Joanna, founder and chief empowerment officer at Insight. The Remedy Path is all about short term relief. It's about using the Enneagram not for deep identity change, but as a diagnostic tool to pinpoint where things are breaking down and apply a fix. If you've got a pressing issue, a miscommunication that's gotten messy, a big decision you can't seem to make, a team dynamic that's draining you, the remedy path is designed for seasons where you need relief now, not in 6 months. Here's the process in its simplest form. First step is identify your Enneagram type. Then you spot your top stress pattern, the way your type tends to react when you're under pressure. Number three is apply a type specific remedy to interrupt that pattern. Here's a few examples. So, type one, when you're tightening up into perfectionism, the remedy is to intentionally declare something good enough and then move forward. For type three, when you're pushing past exhaustion for results, the remedy is to insert intentional pauses that force you to breathe and recalibrate. And for type six, when you're looping in anxiety, the remedy is to set a decision deadline and trust your process. These are simple, but they're powerful because they're targeted. The reason the remedy path works so well is that it combines immediate clarity and focused action instead of throwing 20 productivity tips at the wall and hoping one sticks. You're making one well placed move that disrupts your stress spiral. When you feel calmer and more in control, you make better decisions and choices. Your energy steadies and you're less likely to escalate conflict for self sabotage. Now, here's what the remedy path isn't. It's not deep identity level transformation. Think of it like taking an aspirin for a headache. It helps you function now, but it doesn't address why you're getting headaches in the first place. And that's okay. Sometimes the smartest move is to stabilize first and then go deeper later. If the remedy path feels like what you need right now, the fastest way to start, like a SWOT analysis, I call it a core analysis to help understand what may be happening in the moment and suggested remedies. So, in just 90 minutes, we'll confirm your Enneagram type, identify the biggest stress patterns, and create 2 to 3 remedies you can use immediately. The Enneagram Remedy Path isn't about changing your whole life in one leap. It's about getting the relief you need so you can lead, work, and live from a steadier place. I'll place a link to a core analysis session in the comments below. And until we see each other again, I hope you have a powerful day. For those of you who are not familiar with your Enneagram type, please consider using this QR code to a link to a specially priced Enneagram Compass assessment, as well as a 90-minute debrief with me to better understand your type, where it might be tripping you up.